Barack Obama's A Promised Land is more than just a political memoir. It's a deeply personal and reflective story of his journey to the White House. So, whether you are into politics or just great storytelling, this book has something for everyone. The book covers his early life, his political rise, and the first few years of his presidency, including key moments like the financial crisis and passing the Affordable Care Act. But what makes this memoir special is how personal it feels. Obama writes his this book with honesty, sharing not just his victories but also his doubts, struggles, and failures. One of the things I loved most was the way Obama explains the decision making process behind major events. It's not just about politics, it's about the human side of leadership, balancing family life, the weight of responsibility, and the constant push to live up to his own ideals. So the writing is poetic yet accessible. You feel like you are having a conversation with him. So whether he is reflecting on his roots, debating policy, or describing a tense meeting in the situation room, Obama's voice is thoughtful and sincere. For me, A Promised Land is more than a memoir. It's a reflection on what it means to lead, to dream, to work towards a better future. It's inspiring, humbling, and a must read for anyone who wants to understand leadership on a deeper level. So you can grab your copy of A Personal Land through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it for free with an Amazon Audible trial. Trust me, hearing Obama narrate his own story adds a whole new layer of meaning. So, have you read this book, or what are your biggest takeaways from Obama's story? Do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.